To select response data from campaigns such as clicks or opens as a target group, the Create Responders Target Group function is ideal. This allows the contact details behind the statistics to be made available as a specific target group. In this way, pure statistical values are transformed into usable contact details that can be specifically used for further campaigns. To do this, go to the Addresses and List section and select the Create Responders Target Group option via the floating action button. The next step is to select the creative. You can use the search field to search by ID, delivery date, or creative name, although the search results are limited to 50 matches. If the desired result is not displayed, you should refine your search. You can then use the plus icon to select a creative and add it to the responder target group. Here, it is also possible to add more than one creative and combine them in this way. Entries that have already been added can be removed using the minus icon. The selection must then be confirmed by clicking OK. Afterwards, the target audience base must be defined. In our example, this includes the recipients of the selected creative. Additionally, there is the option to use a checkbox to combine the responder target groups into a unified target group. If this option is not selected, individual responder target groups are created for each creative. This step must also be confirmed by clicking OK. Then, exclusion filters can be defined using checkboxes. The selected groups are then removed from the target audience base. Unsubscribers and hard bounces are already pre-selected here. In the final step, a summary of all the details entered is displayed. Clicking OK creates the responder target audience, which is then displayed in the target audience list. Alternatively, such a target group can also be created directly via a reporting function. To do this, go to the reporting area in the menu, select the desired campaign and click on a key figure, which is marked with a small statistics icon. Then select the option Save as Target Group from the chart menu. The relevant function area for creating the responder target group is then opened automatically, with all the necessary information already pre-filled. After a quick check, the settings can be adjusted if necessary, or the target group can be created directly. The target group will then be available in the target group lists as usual.